Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready? Watch my story. Let's start. Mark, look at the board.
Oh, I see it. Our flight is delayed.
Delayed? Really? By how much?
It says 2 hours, Emma.
Oh no, that is a long time.
I know. I am sorry, Emma.
It is okay. These things happen.
Yes, but we are already tired.
We are, but we are together. That is good.
You are right. We are together. That is the most important thing.
Let's find some seats. We need to sit down.
Good idea. And maybe some coffee, too?
This coffee is warm and good.
Yes, it helps. I feel a little better now.
Me too. So, are you excited about our trip?
I am very excited. A new country, a new adventure.
I love that. A new adventure.
And no work, no emails, just us.
Just us. I like that very much.
Emma, thank you for planning this trip.
Oh, it was easy. You deserve a holiday, Mark.
We both do. We work very hard.
True. Now, what is in your big blue suitcase?
Everything, clothes, shoes, my camera, everything.
Mark, look. It says boarding now.
Oh, finally, let's go.
Here is your boarding pass. Don't lose it.
I won't. Thank you. I have it.
Gate number 12. This way.
Okay, I have my carry-on. Do you have yours?
Yes, I have everything. Let's walk quickly.
Not too quickly. I am tired.
I know. Me too. But we are almost there.
Emma, I am ready for this trip.
Me too. Very ready.
Soon, we will be in a new country. I can't wait. Let's go.
I am so sleepy.
Sleep, Emma. It is okay. I will wake you.
Are we in the air already?
Yes, we are high up. Look outside. It is beautiful.
Oh, wow. The clouds look like snow.
They do. Very beautiful.
Mark, I am happy we are doing this.
Me too. Very happy.
How long is the flight?
About 3 more hours.
Okay, I will sleep a little then.
Good night, Emma. I am here.
Oh, are we here already?
We are here. We landed 5 minutes ago.
I slept the whole time.
I know. You were very tired.
Why didn't you sleep?
I watched a movie. A bad movie. Very boring.
Oh no, poor Mark.
It is okay. I am just happy we are here.
Me too. I am so excited.
Okay, let's get our bags. Baggage claim is this way.
Great. I just need my suitcase and then we can go.
Yes, let's find the baggage claim area. Follow me.
Oh, good. The bags are already coming.
Yes, I see some bags. Not mine yet, though.
There is my red one. I see it.
Oh, perfect. Get it.
Got it. Here it is.
Great. Now we just wait for my blue one.
It will come soon. Don't worry.
I am not worried. I am just watching.
Your bag has a red ribbon. Easy to see.
Yes, that is why I put the ribbon there.
Smart thinking, Mark.
Thank you. I am full of good ideas.
Mark, where is your bag?
I don't know. It is not here yet.
It has been a long time.
I know. Maybe it is coming now. Let's wait a little more.
Okay, but the belt is almost empty.
I can see that.
Do you remember? Did you check your bag at the counter?
Yes, of course. I checked it this morning.
Then it should be here.
It should be, but I don't see it.
Let's wait one more minute.
Okay, one more minute.
Mark, the belt has stopped.
I know. I can see. My bag is not here.
Okay, let's think. What do we do?
I don't know. I feel a little stressed.
I know, it is okay. We will fix this.
But all my things are in that bag, Emma.
I know. Breathe, Mark. Breathe.
Okay, I am breathing.
We need to talk to someone, an airport officer.
Yes, you are right. Where do we go?
There is a desk over there. I can see a sign. It says, Lost and Found.
Let's go right now.
I can see the desk. It is right there.
Okay, good. What do I say to them?
Just tell them your bag is missing. Speak slowly.
What if my English is not good enough?
Your English is good, Mark. I will help you.
Thank you, Emma. I am nervous.
Don't be nervous. They help people every day.
You are right. They do this all the time.
Yes, and we have all the information they need.
My flight number, my bag description, my name.
Perfect. You know everything. You are ready.
Okay, let's do this together.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, excuse me, I have a problem.
Of course. Please tell me, what is the problem?
My bag, my suitcase, it is not here.
Oh, I see. I am sorry to hear that. Which flight were you on?
Flight number BA247 from London.
Okay, and can you describe your bag, please?
Yes, it is a large suitcase, dark blue color, and it has a red ribbon on the handle.
A dark blue suitcase with a red ribbon. Good. That is very helpful. I can check our system right now.
Thank you very much.
Please fill in this form. It is a lost baggage report.
Okay, what information do I need?
Your name, your phone number, and your hotel address.
Okay, I can do that.
Mark, write the hotel name here on this line.
Oh yes, thank you, Emma. Good eyes.
Do you have your baggage tag, the small sticker from check-in?
Yes, here it is. I kept it.
Perfect. That is very helpful. Thank you.
Is there a chance my bag is still at the other airport?
Yes, that is possible. We will check London and track your bag immediately.
See, Mark? It is going to be okay.
Okay, the form is done. I feel better.
Good. He was very helpful.
He said the bag will come to our hotel tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning. That is not so bad.
No, it is okay. I have clothes in my carry-on.
And I have extra things you can use.
Emma, you always think of everything.
That is my job. I am your travel partner.
You are the best travel partner in the world.
I know.
So, shall we go to the hotel now?
Yes, let's go. Our adventure is just beginning. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.